Alright, my viewers, I can see literally some cool wave coming in your life. Actually, you have been working hard. I can see few of you have been working so hard on a project. You have been really working with all your sweat and blood into this, and you were so disconnected from your loved ones because of that. You were so dedicated towards building this idea, whatever it was. You have been doing a lot of hard work just to let this come into fruition. And now finally, you'll find that ease wherein you can be with your loved ones, you can be nourished, you can give love and get love, and you will be around people who celebrate you. You will be celebrated. You are getting that respect or that pedestal that you had been working upon. Some of you might be working for that promotion. Finally, you'll be getting it. That's the reason why you might have been working so hard upon. But now finally, you are seeing things working, and that is the confirmation now with this reading. Universe wants you to know that it's just there. Finally, you'll be getting that promotion. You'll be getting that portfolio that you were looking for. Maybe if you are a business person, finally you're getting that particular tender or whatever the profession might be. I'm seeing you achieving now. All the hard work is going to pay. You will be celebrated by your loved ones and by everybody around you, and you will feel nourished because you have been working so hard. You have just not been paying attention towards your well-being, but just that particular work of yours, whatever it was. Okay? For very few of you, I'm also seeing that you might be new mothers, maybe you might be pregnant, and you have been working upon this pregnancy so dedicatedly, doing all the exercises on time, having all the nutrition that is needed for you and the baby, and putting in all of that hard work, all the regime that you was needed to follow just to get the result seen parents here, especially mothers. And maybe for few of you, it might be a difficult pregnancy, might have come after a little ups and downs, and so you want to be so sure that nothing should be wrong at your part. And let me tell you, you've done a great job. Finally, you are at this moment where you are just waiting for that kid to come. You're just wishing for it. So yes, it is going to be a loving child, a very loving one. This is going to be a wonderful new beginning for all of you. This is a wonderful new beginning for whomsoever is going to land on this reading. Finally, all of you, those who have been working so hard on that project, that deal, that the promotion, or whatever the work was for you, or building of the family, for a few of you, you will be seeing some new beginning. You will be finally able to pamper yourself and others, all those who are important to in your life. You will be able to express your emotions towards your loved ones, and that will make you feel so light. You'll finally feel so hydrated with all that love in your life. For few of you, I am seeing you probably going to buy gifts for your loved ones, and you might just pamper them with the lavish things in life. Or you are going to pay attention towards your love relationship or partnership or a marriage. Why? Because you have attained finally that pedestal. And yes, you are going to make things magical for them, and they are going to be magical for you. Now you're going to even pamper yourself and buy good things for yourself. You've been ignoring yourself like anything since so many days now, so you deserve it. It is going to be a wonderful new beginning, which is going to bring that stability that you have been looking for. And if it is a child, this child is going to be a very stable mind and a very compassionate person, and it is going to bring so much luck in your life. Universe is actually blessing you with miracles. You can expect anything you might not have even thought of, that it is there, is going to come into your life because you have put in so much of hard work. And God is wishing you with all those miracles in your life. Universe is wishing you with all that good luck. This is an auspicious time coming in your life. All the wishes are getting granted. You're getting all the blessings that you have been looking for from so long. So enjoy your life, because life is wonderful at the moment. It is full of fruits, full of flowers. I'm wishing you all the best. Keep growing. I'll see you next. Bye-bye.